Hello, everyone. This is Coach Hector here for the final time in the semester. I won't be bothering you anymore. I want to thank everyone for the great work you did throughout the semester. It was the first time we had this class online, and I think it went pretty well. Thank you for the words, all the kind words, and all the things you said last week on how to make this class better. Future students are going to benefit from it. I'm sure I'm going to try and make it a lot better. This was the first time, so you were the guinea pigs, so thank you. Another thing, there's still work to be done, so you still have a survey that I need for you to do. You still have two tests to turn in, your push-ups and your mile run, so make sure you get to that. And hopefully this class served this purpose. The way I set it up was I wanted you guys to understand that exercising is a personal choice. You don't have to follow what everyone else is doing or what this is going on or not. You can do whatever you want for exercise. So that was my main idea for the course, that everyone finds whatever it is that they like and they are willing to do. So keep exercising, keep going at it. Like I said, I wanted to teach you how to fish so you can eat your whole life. So stay active, keep exercising, stay safe, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks, everyone.